the head of the enemy. Okay, otherwise he will give you a headbutt. Okay, like this. Okay, very dangerous. Okay, so when you do this, okay, you always move away, like this. Okay, another example, very common mistake is people like to do the neck pulling in from the inner side. Okay, you can do the punch on me, like this. So it's very dangerous. Okay, so the best way is you do from outside neck pulling. Okay, I will show one of the application. Okay, when this guy, okay, he do a lapsal like this. Okay, I do this. Okay, and then I can use an elbow strap. Okay, and the other thing like this, we can also do this and do a neck pulling. Okay, and this time we are doing a knee strap like this. Okay, so how about if I coming in with the neck pulling like this? Okay, if I do like this, make sure your stance, you have to go over, so this hand won't hit you like this. So you can either do a blow over like this. Okay, so hope this will help you more understanding of the neck pulling hands.